My name is Bret and I'm from Oak Grove, Missouri. It was a great experience. I really enjoyed the people that were there. Of course, Bob, he's always a good time. It was an awesome experience. To expand my opportunity within the adjusting world mostly, and hopefully eventually get off of roofs and having to climb roofs. Field inspection day was great. It was very beneficial to understanding the system. I'm a very hands-on learner, and you can tell me something all day long, but until I see it, I don't get it, so that was important. It benefited me in so many ways, but really and truly understanding the scenario and the situations you have to deal with within a flood, and getting the right information while you're actually out in the fields. It was more hands-on, so the previous courses I'd taken regarding flood were just kind of a crash course over policy, which you know that takes years to retain and obtain that information. None of the other courses went hands-on, in-depth of how the process works, how to do each file. There's so many files and revolving around flood, so it was great. Very involved, but very in-depth too. Absolutely, yes. I learned a lot about Xactimate, just sitting through class and going through things, especially with Bob and Pat Bell. They're both amazing at Xactimate. Thank you very much.